Hi everyone, I'm Nigel Wymer and welcome to POD Launch Pro. I've been making a living from e-commerce for over 18 years now, and today, in addition to running my print-on-demand businesses, I teach other people how to set up successful print-on-demand shops. You may have seen me earlier this year on the Channel 4 programme Can You Make 10k in 10 Days, where Channel 4 asked me to come onto the programme as their expert on print-on-demand. On the channel, I show you step by step how to research profitable niches, how to create products which are actually going to sell, and how to use AI to dramatically speed up your workflow. And of course, most importantly, with no prior experience, how to create a successful print-on-demand business which is going to grow and grow. I'll keep you up to date with what's working now, what's changing, and how to avoid the mistakes which so many people make. If you're serious about making a living from print on demand, then subscribe to the channel and join the journey with me. No hype, no unrealistic promises from somebody who's been making a living from e-commerce for nearly 2 decades.